The UK is at the leading edge of advanced therapies, a new and exciting area of medicine, and is building this sector into a significant one to deliver health and wealth. The Advanced Therapies Apprenticeship Community, or ATAC, has been established to ensure that this breakthrough industry has the people it needs to succeed. The aim is to develop talent, from manufacturing operatives to technical and regulatory experts and researchers. ATAC brings employers, apprentices and the wider advanced therapies industry together to ensure the sector's development. Employers have been instrumental in designing the ATAC programme. ATAC's apprenticeship programme has also been designed in collaboration with accredited training providers and industry leaders to ensure apprentices have the specific skills the industry requires. It introduces them to the wider industry so that they gain additional knowledge and can begin their professional development. ATAC offers apprentices support in addition to that provided by employers and training providers. ATAC provides complementary learning activities such as company site visits and webinars with industry leaders. It also holds industry-wide regional and national networking events, helping employers to share best practice, and provides access to the Advanced Therapies Skills Training Network (ATSTN) online training platform. ATAC also helps employers to recruit and onboard apprentices. For example, it provides templates for adverts and job descriptions, advertises apprenticeships available, and can support you in holding assessment days and interviews. The ATAC website provides useful resources, case studies, publications and contacts. ATAC's support for line managers also includes face-to-face visits, onboarding and training plans, as well as checklists, webinars and contacts.